Hello guys, today we will discuss about the project that is Crypto Awards. Crypto Award is project where rating can actually be trusted. It is the first honest rating of crypto projects, companies and people with transparent process of voting based on feedback and reviews from real crypto users and customers is now going live at cryptoawards.com. The project itself is presented by Finex Pro, an event producer with over 18 years of experience on the market. In addition, 72 nominations are created by real market experts to provide a fair and transparent competition between over 1000 industries between projects, companies, exchanges, and even people about people sound phenomenal. So some special nomination are created especially to honor the most significant persons in the industry. The rating will take over all areas of crypto industry. The mechanism is pretty simple. People from all over the world are reviewing and ranking the project. Therefore, selecting in the best of the best without doubt, such rating help potential client and new people in the industry select the most reliable space for the safe investment. This ranking will become a yearly event and Finex Pro Finexpo will announce the first winner in the end of the 2021. What is the interacting is if the COVID-19 situation is saved by the end of the year. The actual ceremony promises to become global together with the blockchain feast in cryptos. Crypto awards are ranking where each nominee is competing for the honor to be named the best of the best. So expect more throughout the 2021. So the mission of the for vision in selecting exchanges or companies produce services for clients in some problem related to interaction with exchanges and companies for exchanges and companies in change for the better. The value your crypto award will treat our user and partner with respect. Justice. The ranking rules are same for all user and partner. Transparency. All feedbacks and calculation formulates are publicly available on the website. Collaboration. Crypto awards will help and helps all user and partners to solve problem together. Believe it, the user and partner trust crypto award with important information and crypto awards value. Register for the rewards. Project company exchanges or persons filing in your profile information will take no longer than 5 minutes. Join the information. Each nominee may participate in the unlimited number of nominees. Get more points. Receive and respond to user feedback. Invite more people to vote. So this was a wonderful project. You should join it. Thanks for watching.